What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the rewind effect of the video using the Adobe Premiere Pro. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, you can start to open this Adobe Premiere Pro, and here I will start to click this new project, and you can also choose give the name of your project, for example project 1, and click OK. And I will continue to choose this new sequence, and after that it will bring you into this section, and after that you can start to import the video. You can click file, and after that you can import, and for example I will choose into this device. For example, I will choose this video and click open, and kindly wait for the importing process. You can click this section project 1, and this will be our original video. And after that I will put this video into this section in the timeline. Like this.
I love being here with you.
Me too. This is perfect.
So this will be our original scene, and after that I will drag it again and I will put it here as the copied one. And after that I will selecting this scene or this clip and give it a right click. And after that I will start to choose this speed and duration. And after that you can start to choose this speed, let's say to become 300, and also make sure you mark this reverse speed and click OK. And after that you can start to use the effect for this reverse clip. Keep this clip being selected and go to this effect and click this video effect in the drop down, and after that I will choose the distort, and here I will choose the wave warp. Click this and you will see the settings up here for the effect control, and for example the wave height here I would like to change it to become 100 and wave width to become 1000, and also the direction to be 180 degree. And for the sign you can actually choose the effect that you want. For example, if I would like to play this clip from the beginning.
I love being here with you.
Well, by the way, if you would like to play this clip, so you can click this button, or you can also push the space in your keyboard.
Me too. This is perfect.
And if you would like to change the motion, let's say you can choose this, let's say smooth noise, and you can play it.
I love being here with you.
Me too. This is perfect.
So this will be our rewind effect in the video. So that's all guys, I hope this video found you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.